Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're diving into the exciting field of automobile engineering. Automobile engineering, also known as automotive engineering, involves the design, development, manufacturing, and maintenance of vehicles. This discipline combines elements of mechanical, electrical, electronic, software, and safety engineering to create cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other motor vehicles. Automobile engineering covers various subfields, including engine design, chassis design, vehicle electronics, safety engineering, and vehicle dynamics. At its core, it focuses on developing vehicles that are safe, efficient, and reliable. Engineers in this field work on creating new vehicle designs, improving existing technologies, and ensuring that vehicles meet regulatory standards and customer expectations. The automobile engineering workflow typically involves several stages: conceptual design, computer-aided design (CAD), prototyping, testing, and manufacturing. Engineers use advanced simulation tools and software to design vehicles, perform crash tests, and optimize performance. Prototyping and rigorous testing are crucial to ensure that vehicles are safe, durable, and meet performance criteria. Automobile engineering has a transformative impact on the transportation industry. In recent years, the focus has shifted towards developing electric vehicles (EVs) to reduce carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. Engineers are working on improving battery technology, increasing the range of EVs, and developing efficient charging infrastructure. Autonomous vehicles, which use advanced sensors and AI to navigate without human intervention, are another groundbreaking development, promising to revolutionize the way we travel. Now, let's look at the future of automobile engineering. The field is rapidly evolving, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One significant trend is the advancement of electric mobility. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability grow, the automotive industry is increasingly focusing on electric vehicles (EVs). Engineers are developing innovative battery technologies, enhancing charging infrastructure, and designing more efficient electric drivetrains. Autonomous driving technology is another major trend. Self-driving cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, and artificial intelligence to navigate and operate without human input. These technologies are expected to improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and provide greater mobility for individuals who cannot drive. Connected vehicles and smart features are transforming the automotive experience. Modern cars are equipped with advanced infotainment systems, connectivity features, and smart safety technologies. Vehicle-to-everything V2X communication allows cars to communicate with each other and with infrastructure, enhancing safety and efficiency on the roads. Sustainability and green engineering practices are becoming increasingly important. Automobile engineers are exploring the use of lightweight materials, improving fuel efficiency, and designing vehicles with a reduced environmental impact. Hybrid technologies, fuel cells, and alternative fuels are also being developed to create cleaner and more sustainable transportation options. In summary, automobile engineering is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that is driving the future of transportation. Its applications are vast, and its potential is immense, fueled by advancements in electric mobility, autonomous driving, connected vehicles, and sustainable practices. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.